Hello everybody. So in this video we're going to replace the cartridge in this Moen faucet. The problem with this faucet is when I turn it on, it leaks down the sides. Also, this is very hard to pull up to actually get water out of. So it's a really quick repair, and let's get started. Okay, we just need a few tools here to do this. I put a rag down on the bottom of the sink so nothing can go down the drain. A little pick here to just kind of grab this. We're going to take that cover off. Okay, we need to take this collar off. Grab some needle nose. There's a little clip here. We're going to pull this out. Save that. Little slotted washer here. And there's a tool that comes with the replacement faucet, but because I don't have the replacement cartridge yet, I'm going to use my needle nose. And what we have is we have some plastic on the bottom and on the top. We're just going to take our needle nose. Now if you want to go and get the part first and use the tool, you're more than welcome to. And is all we're going to do is we're just going to kind of twist this back and forth just a little bit like this, just to loosen the cartridge. Let's grab some pliers. We'll pull that up, and then we'll get another bite on it. Pull straight out. There we go. The old cartridge. Okay, I'm going to go down to the local plumbing supply store and grab the correct cartridge. Okay, I have the replacement cartridge. This is a Moen 1225. Open that up. Okay, this is the new cartridge, and this is that little tool. So what I'm going to do is, it's kind of got some lubrication on it from the factory, so we're going to put it down in here carefully. I'm not going to force it. I'm going to try to get it so those two plastic tabs are straight up and down. And I will use this tool just to make sure we're aligned. And like I say, we want this aligned correctly, so there we go. Use the tool with your thumb maybe to kind of push down on it a little bit more. That clip should just slide back in. Come on. And there we go. Okay. At this point, I just want to tell you guys, if your hot and cold is mixed up, then just take this assembly back out and flip it 180. Okay? It's got our little ring in there. Get that all the way down in there. Here's our little washer. And this washer helps stop it from that downward action, so it won't prematurely wear the cartridge out. We'll put this ring back on. Put that back on. Now the old cartridge that was in here, you really had to pull up on this handle. And I can already tell this feels 100% better. That turns a lot easier. Oh, this is nothing. You used to really have to grab onto it and pull. And this is looking good. All right. We are going to go and turn the water back on. We'll make sure our hot and cold is correct, okay? Okay, so we have hot and cold backwards. So let's fix that real quick. It's kind of a 50-50 shot there. fact, maybe I ought to make a suggestion. Don't cinch down on this until you've checked that. Okay, pull all that out. And I believe this time we'll use the tool. I'm hesitating here because I have the water on. So I don't usually do that kind of stuff, but let's see what happens. Let's just flip this around. This could go either way on us here, guys. Okay, push that back down. All right, I lucked out again. Kind of. Let's see. There we go. Now, if you're afraid to do that, then just turn your water back off real quick. I'm actually not going to cinch down on it too hard because after I film, I'm going to clean that. Let's take everything back out. I have to get used to how easy that is now. All right, there we go. Hot water on the right side. Well, actually on the left side. The way it should be. Okay, and that's that. It's literally like a 5-minute job. Okay, if you have questions or comments, please leave those down below. And thanks for watching. I'll leave some links to get this replacement part. And yeah, cheers.